Welcome all. In this video, we are going to learn string manipulation. So where we will learn how string can be manipulated in Python. As all of us knows that string is nothing but a collection of character which has to get enclosed either within single quote or within double quote or within triple quote. String in Python supports in or stored in three ways, and the string can be manipulated, can be accessed from a variable, from an object through forward indexing as well as backward indexing. Forward indexing, the index value starts from 0 till n minus 1 location, and backward indexing starts from -1 and continue up to minus nth location, which also we learn in our previous videos. So there is an example I want to show you. Through this example, I will input a string and I will reverse it. So for inputting the string here at the variable, I kept str, and there is a input function, inbuilt function through which I am accepting the string from an user. Then using len function, I am just taking out the length of this string and storing in the variable n. Then I took here I equal to 0. So why two integer variable I used here? Now I want to print the string as it is as well as reverse, means both the output I need. That because of I have to continue the loop in both the way, in forward direction as well as backward direction. So I took here two variable for that. So here n will be responsible to print in backward direction. N will be responsible for printing in backward direction, and I will be responsible for printing in forward direction. So what I did here in the loop starts with range -1. It means this loop is responsible for printing in backward direction. So it will continue till -1 minus n minus 1, and as it goes down, so we wrote here -1. So it means -1, -2, -3, -4. This is how it will continue. Thereafter, print. What it supposed to print? Now str of I the value I took here 0. So str of I means the first character what we enter, that will be printed. Then after giving little gap, that is /t I used here, just like C++, T for tab here. After giving little gap, giving a tab, then we are printing here str of A. A in the sense the value of A is now -1. It means one character it will print from the beginning and another character it will print from behind. So this is forward indexing, this is backward indexing. Then the I has to increase every time. It starts from 0. So when I will print the second character from the left side, so the A will print the second most character from the right side. So the loop will continue until unless all the character it didn't print on screen, and we will get our output. So let's go to Python editor to check the program as well as the output. So this is the cell point. Now let's open a program file. So here we can write the program. The program has to be how? Now I'm taking here the variable as str equal to input. Then I'm writing here enter a string. So I'm just providing a string in this case. Thereafter I need to find out the length. So I took here le equal to len is a inbuilt function, so of str. So I got the length of the string and I stored in the variable le. Then I'm taking I equal to 0 as I explained you. Then I have to start the loop. So for A in range, so what will be the range? Now -1 till minus le. minus LE in the sense that length. Fine, because as the length has to start from minus 1 and continue till minus LE in the sense minus length. So minus length minus 1. As we know, the value what we input in the for loop, it will print 1 minus. So minus length minus 1 means one increment, one value will increase and it will continue till that. Then minus 1 I gave here because the loop has to continue down. So this is the step value here I gave. This is step value, this is the ending value, and this is the starting point of the loop. Now let's print it. So we using print function, we are printing it. So the variable name is str and I want to print I first. Thereafter I want to give /t for giving a tab. Then str within bracket I can specify a. So it means the first one is responsible for printing the value in proper order and the second one is responsible for printing the value in descending order or in reverse order. So let's check, let's save the file and run the module. So I store the file in the name of str.py, then running the value. Now it is asking to enter the value. I'm providing here Python. So check now. So this is what it is printing, the first column, it is printing in proper order, the one I entered, and the next one if you check, it is printing in reverse order. Now let's compare with the program, let's check with the program. Now as all of you saw here, we have written I as 0 and I is increasing every time. So I is responsible to print in proper order. And A, the loop which we started from minus 1 as we are using here backward indexing, so which starts printing from n till p. Hope all of you understood the concept nicely, what is backward indexing and what is forward indexing. Now let's continue with operators. So string operators. So Python supports many types of operators such as basic operators. So the basic operators are of two types. One is plus sign and one is multiplication sign. Plus sign is just concatenate or join two string and make it or store it in another string. For example, here computer is a string and science is a string, and we are joining both and storing in computer science, storing as computer science. And here the multiplication sign, what it does, now it is used with a number, and the number what we are using, it will repeat that string for that number of time. For example, computer multiplied 2 I wrote, so computer will get repeated twice. Fine. So let's go to the editor and try them. So now here we will try. Suppose I am keeping S as Python. Fine. And S1 as I am keeping program. Now both I want to join and I want to store in S2. So I can write S2 equal to S plus S1. S plus S1. It means Python will get combined with program. Then I can print the value of S2 and can check. Fine. Python program. So this is what concatenation operator or join operator. Now let's try the multiplication operator, which also comes as basic string operator. So here I am writing S3 equal to, as S has the value Python and I want to print suppose Python twice in S3. So I can write here S multiplied twice. Fine. So S is what? Now Python, the one I kept here, and this word will get repeated twice and will get stored in the variable S3. So let's check S3. Python, it is printing. Hope all of you understood. Let's check one more example. Suppose S1 is program, PROG written. We can check it by typing S1 is PROG. Now I don't want to store anywhere. I want to just instantly try that same value or same PROG thrice. So I can do like this: PROG, PROG, PROG. If I wish to store it in a variable, so I can declare S2. Suppose S2 I am using S2 equal to S1 multiplied thrice. Now I can print S2 and can check. Okay. So this is how the basic operator which we learn can be implemented in Python. Now the next we can see some of the other operators like membership operator, that is in, as well as we can use not in. So in this case, if the specified value is available within the string, it will return true. If we didn't found, then it will return false. So in the opposite is not in. In case of not in, if the value didn't found, then it will return false. Otherwise, it will return true. If it didn't found, it will return true. Sorry. If it found, then it will return false. So in this case, the example is given C. C is a small character and it is available here within computer. So C in, it is asking, is C is available in computer? Yes, so true. Is capital C is available in computer? No, no capital C, so false. In this case, the same thing but not in. So C, small c is not available in computer. Yes, it is available. So in this case, it is false. False. Capital C is not in computer. Yes, capital C is not there in computer. So that is true statement. So true is available. Okay. So next we can try the string operator, that is comparison operator, where we can learn greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. So in this case, the example is given capital C equal to capital C. Yes, both are equal, so it is returning true. In this case, capital C is equal to small c. Never it is equal, so false. Capital C not equal to capital C. It is equal, so not equal it is written, so it is false. Capital C not equal to small c. Yes, that is true, so true it is showing. Okay, comparison operator. Now, how the characters are getting compared using greater than, less than, and all symbols. So as all of us knows, there is ASCII values. Using ASCII value, we can accomplish this. We can do that. So 0 to 9, the ASCII values are 48 to 57. It means 0 is 48, 1 is 49, and continue 9 is 57. In this case, capital A to capital Z, which starts with 65 to 90. Same way, small a to small z, that is 97 to 122. To know these values, we can use ORD option, ORD function, as well as CHR function. ORD function can convert the value of a given character. It means it can, if you specify the character, it will give you the particular value of that character. And the opposite to that is CHR function. Let's go to editor and try. Now, let's try in the editor. So here in the editor, I am specifying some string values. Like suppose directly we can try as well. Suppose I wrote here small c in computer. It is giving true. Why true? Because small c is available in computer. Same way I can give C not in computer, which is a invalid statement, so it is showing false. So this is in operator as well as not in operator, which we can say as membership operator. In and not in operator is known as membership operator. Now we can try with comparison operator. Now I am checking here capital A is equal to small a. Is it true? Is it true? So in this case, it is showing that cannot assign to literal. Okay, here I use equal sign. So equal sign is not a operator. Sorry. So let's try again. So capital A equal to small a. So it will give you false as both are not equal. Now suppose capital A is equal to capital A. So that is true obviously. Now let's try with not equal. If I wrote here capital A is not equal capital A. So actually capital is equal with capital A. So in this case it will give you false again. Fine. This is how the relational operator can be used in Python. Now let's try greater than less than symbol according to the ASCII value. Okay, let's check ASCII value of ORD. ORD in the sense order. So order we are writing here suppose capital A. So what is the value we have seen? 65. So it is showing. Same way CHR of capital Z or small z we can check. What we have done, what we have seen. Sorry, we made a mistake here again. So CHR of 65 we can write. So CHR of 65 is what? Capital A. So it is printing capital A. So this is how the values can be checked. The ASCII value can be checked for a particular character and vice versa. So ORD is the vice versa of CHR or CHR is the vice versa of OR you can say. Now as we supposed to try the comparison operator, that is greater than symbol as well as less than symbol. So in this case small a, the ASCII value of small a is bigger than the ASCII value of capital A. So in this case it will give you true. Fine. So the relational operator, how it can be used in Python.